This is so hard.
It is hard. You know, the guy who invented that double stick tape ought to be in jail. But I think the biggest problem here is you have no fingernails.
Yeah, that's kind of frustrating.
It is frustrating, but you know, when I get frustrated, sometimes I like to think of my favorite things.
Like what?
New cords and hoses and organized chiseled, bright colored finish and freshly turned spindles, little round sticky dots holding down things. These are a few of my favorite things. Papa, 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 papa. My new DeWalt Planer that's making things thinner. Beautiful doors that make cabinets a winner. Reading the journal and learning new things. These are a few of my favorite things. Papa, 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 papa. Drawers that are cut out with all the right spaces. Markers that fit into all the right places. Tight-fitting miters that always look keen. These are a few of my favorite things. When the wood chips, when the glue stains, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I won't feel so bad. Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworkers Journal, and these are a few of my favorite things. Thanks for watching.